Hello and welcome back. This hasn't changed a whole lot since the last video. Why is that? Well, because last weekend I went to the Indiana Model Engine Show, the second one that they've put on, down at the National Automobile and Truck Museum of America. I think it's called NATMUS. I'll look that up and put the correct explanation on the screen here. Now, this was a really excellent model show and I'm glad I went. My only regret is that I didn't actually take any of my own engines to display. I certainly shall next year. They had a very good selection of vendors, including DeBolt Machine, who I think we're all familiar with, and Martin Model and Pattern. And I don't mean to put down any of the other vendors by not mentioning them, but there was just, the list was too long. Excellent variety of engines on display, very high build quality, and engines and models of just all shapes and sizes. Really breathtaking. The Indiana group have really outdone themselves. They put on a fantastic show. Filled up 2 days there easily. So really glad I made the drive down and really had an excellent time. Got to meet with the Machinist group of Northeast Indiana, as they're officially called. They're the group that put this show on, and I hope that they go from strength to strength. They'll only do it with our support. So if you were thinking about going this year and didn't, please next year do so. If you used to go to the NAMES show, you really should attend this one. It's breathtaking. The venue was excellent. The location is excellent. All the models on display were excellent. There were plenty of tables that were not filled because, you know, this show is in its infancy. So I'm just hoping that the model engineering community can come out in strength and really help fill those tables up next year. The fact that there are empty tables there is no bad mark on this show at all. The place was packed anyway. So that's about it. What follows now is just a selection of clips and pictures that I took while I was there, and I certainly didn't cover everything. I spent so long talking to makers of engines that I had specific interest in that I just didn't get time to video every single thing. But I hope that what I show here gives you a good flavor. So anyway, again, thoroughly recommend it. Glad I went. Please come next year. Be seeing you.
This is a FB2.
Nice.
Yeah. Let's go. Yep. Okay. So now you're. He warned me. He said he didn't know that it was a problem until just recently. Yeah. Because when I scale the threads down, if it's an odd to me, so what does that mean? That means if I want
This one here, I got to redo the valves on. There's not enough lap. So that's why it's running jerky like that. It needs more lap on the valve. He likes that kind of flywheel. I hate it, to be honest
This one here, I just started out. Now I asked. Oh yeah. This here. And when I made this, I thought
probably love this show.
I know that one.
Did you guys drive out or did you?
Yeah, we drove down.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know Jim.
Did you make all of it? Wow.
Excuse me for watching House Hunters.
My welding was 30 miles an hour. I would have thought that there would have been nothing different. This year, you know, was straight. Really. Yeah. It was like